going on, YouTube? So today we're gonna do a trail test video on this new windshield that I got. I realized after making the old video that you didn't actually get to see how it worked out in reality. I mean, just putting it on is one thing, but how well does it do as far as collecting dirt and all that stuff? And it claims it's anti-static and all that other kind of thing. So we're gonna take it out, rip on it, stir up a ton of dirt, and see how much of it sticks to it and how well the windshield does. All in all, I mean, it looks very clear right now, so we'll see how it works out. So guys, after wheeling for hours, this windshield is still like super clear. And I mean, isn't that kind of the point? So that you can see all this awesome scenery back here and not be squinting through the dirty windshield. I mean, I'm really impressed actually, because I've been ripping on this thing, stirring up all kinds of dirt. My phone is just completely covered, but the windshield is still just super clear. But yeah, even after everything I put through today, still it's very minimal. I mean, there's a little bit of stuff going on here, but it's very minuscule. Like, my phone is literally dirtier than this windshield. I don't know how. I guess just because the windshield is just so slick. But tell you what, very impressed. That rough country windshield, by now I'd be having to clean it for sure, and literally having no issues whatsoever. The pollen's crazy, all that, but this windshield is just freaking awesome. It's just a great windshield, for especially for the price point. Right now, if you click the link below, they're on sale on Amazon for $139.99, free shipping. I mean, can't beat that. For a full windshield, works good, looks good, stays clear, and doesn't rattle, doesn't make noise, nothing. I mean, this thing's just solid as a rock. I mean, like I said, the only thing that could be better is it could be vented, because it's like 90 some degrees right now, and this thing is yeah, definitely a little warmer than I would possibly like. But it is nice not eating dirt all day long, especially driving even on these trails, staying on the trails of course, but the overgrowth, we're still hitting tons of pollen and dust and all that kind of stuff from the overgrown, and still the windshield's perfectly fine, clear. Haven't had to clean it, do anything to it whatsoever. I mean, it's just there. And I mean, it's super clear. As you guys seen looking through the windshield while riding it, it literally, you can't even hardly tell there's a windshield there, besides you're not eating bugs and dirt and stuff. So anyhow, this is basically concludes my trail test of the StarKnight Moto full windshield. Again, thank them very much for sending it to me. They didn't give me anything extra to do this trail test video, but I thought I owed it to you guys to actually do a real world application with this. And like I say, it works just phenomenally well. Anyhow, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. SoCal Sniper signing out.